Preferences allows you to manage file preferences, global member access, and member functions. To edit preferences, click on Preferences. Max file size allows you to specify the max file size you can upload in megabytes. This will allow you to put a limit on how big a file is that you can accept. Secure Link Life allows you to specify how long you would like secure links that you email to stay active. This is how long someone has to download the file that was sent to them. Auto Cleanup Frequency Admins List is how long a file is kept in admin files. 0 equals forever. Auto Cleanup Frequency Members List is how long a file is kept for member files. 0 equals forever. Allow member access. If you have Banner roster, you can enable BannerFile so your members can add their own files. This requires additional links to be added to their member area. For more information on Banner roster, please speak to your administrator. Email is the default email address that is notified when files are viewed. Send File Box Link enables the member to have the option to send a link out that allows others to view their entire box. Also, the label on the front end, when available, can be changed to any verbiage wanted. To change, type the message in the box. Send Individual File Link enables the member to have the option to send a link out that allows others to download individual files. The label on the front end, when available, can be changed to any verbiage. To modify, change the text in the box. Specify files as public or private allows you to specify if members can upload public files or private files or both. For private files, requires password to view. The default grip page template is how you select which grip page template is used when a member can see these options. To learn more about grip page templates, view grip templates from the Banner OS section. Click Submit Changes when finished. To return to the BannerFile dashboard, click on BannerFile Home.